I guess I should have seen that one coming, huh?
One more time, again.
We were approached by Sunshine Incorporated to make a commercial for their soda, Fromunda.
Fromunda, for you!
Fromunda, we know what you like!
Great. The taste of Africa. This is it. We're selling it. We're surprising people and we're selling it.
It is a real, fake thing that sells a real product to real people.
Yeah, and it kind of gets people's blood flowing because they're enjoying the internet, but at the same time,
They're
without
thirsty.
even realizing it, they know they want a sip of this amazing soda.
Sunshine International.
Hello, my name is Mr. Ogoye, and I am the founder and the president of Nigerian Sunshine International. While you may know us for some of our products, such as red textile dye, large novelty sunglasses, we are most proud of Fromunda Soda.
You know, I've been trying to break into commercials pretty much since I came out to Hollywood. I've done a couple TV shows in my journey to get there.
What the was that?
I was doing the commercial, the fake video. He got burnt shit in his mouth. He's washing it out with the soda. It tastes good. He likes it, right?
My soda good enough to wash the taste of shit out of your mouth, and that is all?
Why don't we figure this out like businessmen?
He say he figure you out, businessman.
Well, okay, well, let's do that over there.
He wants everyone to enjoy Fromunda, but impossible. He say if it were up to you, his soda would be sitting there with its legs spread, waiting to make $50, looking for real baby daddy. He will whore out your daughter before he whores out his soda. Of course he says this with the best intentions.
You will do it my way.
You will do it my way.
An infestation of Canadian brown finches, which is a small bird. I guess I should have seen that one coming, huh?
It's soda, it's sunshine, it's yellow, it's good time. It's soda, it's sunshine, it's yellow, it's good time.
Yellow, it's yellow, it's yellow, it's yellow.
Wow, that was a great one. High five, yeah.